Hi, my name is Vinay Prakash, and I'm the director of a company, Glorious Insight. And this company is doing lots of work in data and AI portfolio. And we are helping all the large enterprises in resolving their issues around data and AI. And we help them with all kinds of data and AI solutioning which is needed. So of course, if you look at our company, we work with lots of organizations which are in enterprise companies in India. When we connect, of course, they talk about utilizing the data in a best way, wherein they can make some decision on top of that data. And some of the common problems which we get to know from them is that whatever the data which they are bringing is not of the right quality, is not in the right shape, and it is being it is made available to them in various formats. So and if they have to make a decision, of course it has to be brought into a layer wherein all these data can be put into one shape, on top of which all these decisions can be taken. So when we work with the customers, we identify all the sets of data which is coming from various places, and we bring those data into a layer which takes care of all the data governance part of it, that how the data has been brought in and how the data has been stored at some of the places which we are identifying as the destination point. And on those destination points, wherever we are bringing the data, we make sure that any decision which is going to be taken on top of that data should be right, and should be useful, meaningful, and people should be able to trust that data. So we do all types of data governance related activities, data consolidation related activities, and also we mentor the client that how the data should be collected as well, not just bringing the data from various places. And so I think lots of activities are being done on that data journey from the place which it has been brought to a destination. And on top of this, whatever the decisions or the tools and technology we are trying to build, we work on all such activities. So if I have to consider AI as one of the key driving force to make the decisions in the organization, of course AI is definitely supporting the companies in making a right decisions. So traditionally, people were bringing the data and building insights on that data basis. How the sales have been, what will be the sales, what will be my forecast. But in order to create a intelligence which could be on a real-time basis, companies have started adopting AI, and these AI solutions, I cannot say that 100% foolproof, but of course they are helping the organization up to an 85%. So it's like a buddy sitting next to you who is guiding that what should be the right decisions, right? And sometimes organizations onboard right talent to do some work, and if they have somebody which is going to support them in terms of making such decisions, which is based on their history data, their analysis of all the activities which has happened in so far. So I think, of course, that will definitely help companies in terms of making the right decisions using the AI technology. And there are lots of use cases which are happening in all the areas. Utilization of AI in terms of sales, finance, marketing, operations, delivery. So I see it to be having an excellent potential in all the industries, whether it is retail, manufacturing, telecom, and of course with the department also, HR, finance, marketing, sales. Yeah. So it is like, people who are working in the same domain, and if they are brought into one umbrella, so they share their use cases. They talk about, what all uh, scenarios they have handled in the past. They talk about the technologies which they have used and how successful they have been in terms of resolving such issues. So this overall event, I would say, that has helped us to connect with lots of people who come with similar exposure. And yeah, I believe that it has been excellent from your part to organize this activity.